Good morning, it's August the 9th, 2010, and this is your daily report. Disappointing U.S. employment spurs fears for more quantitative easing. The dollar traded under pressure after the July non-farm payrolls fell negative 131,000 and June's figures were revised lower by another 100,000. The USD yen tested the key 85 level and Euro USD broke above 133, although some riskier assets like oil came under pressure. The July unemployment rate stayed at 9.5%. And in U.S. stocks, the Dow was down 21 points, closing at 10,653. The S&P down 4 points, closing at 1,121. And the Nasdaq down 4 points, closing at 2,289. The market has now started to price in further quantitative easing efforts by the Fed, and as a result, relative growth strategies are in play. USD yen price action on the day was between 86.17 and 85. The euro traded with the little technical resistance seen on the top side, with the market surging after the U.S. data tested and broke above 133. Further gains were seen as the market turned aggressively bearish on the USD and the Eurozone concerns faded into the background. June German industrial production fell negative 0.6% versus 0.7% forecast. The Euro USD traded with a low of 131.58 and a high of 133.33 before closing at 132.90. Looking ahead, August Centex index forecast at 1.6 versus a negative 1.3% previously. Also released June German trade balance forecast at 12.5 billion versus 10.6 billion previously. Euro USD price action for the day was between 133.33 and 131.56. Currencies to watch out for today, we have the Euro USD and the USD yen. Euro USD pivot point is in at 132.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 132.35. The USD yen pivot point is in at 85.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 85.65. Today's calendar and market movers. We have the German trade balance for June expected at 12.5 billion. We have the Eurozone Centex August forecasted at 1.6. We have the Australia business confidence for July, prior month's reading at 4. In the equity markets, we have the U.S. equities closing negative on Friday with the S&P at negative 0.37% and the Dow at negative 0.20%. The European bourses were negative with the FTSE down negative 0.38%, the DAX and the CAC closing at negative 1.17% and negative 1.28% respectively. The Nikkei and the Hang Seng at the time of writing is at negative 0.72% and negative 0.1% respectively. I'm Sarah Henry from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.